So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Vibe. So in this video we will see many beautiful TV design for your home. These designs are modern, simple and stylish. If you love planning to make your living room or bedroom look better, this video will give you a lot of ideas. So let's start and enjoy. So before we start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us share more design ideas with you. Now look at this first design. The TV is mounted on a plain white wall. It looked very clean and modern. A well-mounted TV saves space and makes the room look bigger. This idea is perfect for small rooms. Here we see a TV on a wooden wall panel. The wood makes the room feel warm and cozy. The TV look are part of the wall and the whole design feel rich and natural. Many people love this style because it never goes out of trend. Now see this big screen design. The TV cover almost the full wall. This TV is perfect for movie night or watching sports with family. It feels like a mini theater inside your home. If you have a big living room, this design is great choice. Some TV look simple but stylish when placed on a low cabinet like this one with a few plants and books around the decoration make the setup more beautiful. If you don't want to hang the TV, this design work well. Here is a modern design with lights behind the TV. The soft light gives a cool glow and make the wall look special. You can use warm light or colorful lights depending on your mood. This idea is very popular and easy to do. Now look at this design with a marble wall. The TV in the middle of a marble background look very premium. Marble adds a touch of luxurious to the room. If you like rich and classy style, this is a perfect option. Some designs are very simple. For example, just a black TV on a plain wall with nothing else. This is called a minimalist look. It feels clean and peaceful. If you don't like too many things in your room, you can try these ideas. Now see this design where the TV is inside a showcase with shelves, plants and small decoration are placed around it, so the TV becomes part of the room decor, not just a screen. This idea is both useful and stylish. Here is another beautiful setup. The TV is above fireplace. The warm light of fire and the big screen together make the room feel cozy and inviting. This type of design is common in modern homes. By the way, if you are enjoying these ideas, please hit the like button right now and also comment below which design you like the most, wall mounted cabinet or big screen. Now let's see a colorful wall design. The TV is painted in soft grey, blue and the TV is in the center. The contrast look modern and stylish. You can also use wallpaper behind the TV for different look. Some TV are placed on moving stand. Look at this design. The TV can be turned left or right. This is very useful if you want to watch from different corner of the room. In a small bedroom, a 32-inch or 40-inch TV look perfect. It does not take too much space and still give good viewing. Placing the TV on a small table with the drawers is also a smart idea. For large halls, very big TV look best. Look here, the TV is almost as big as the sofa set. Watching movie on this setup feels like you are in a cinema. It makes family time more fun. Now see this design with hidden lights in the cabinet. The soft glow makes the furniture and the TV wall look modern. This is a simple way to make your room stylish without spending too much. Some people also like to hide the TV when not in use, like this design where a sliding panel covers the TV. When you want to watch, just open it. When you don't, the wall look clean. This is a very smart idea. Another modern design is a floating cabinet under the TV. The cabinet is fixed on the wall without touching the floor. It look light and modern. You can place a small plant, photo frame or speakers. Now look at this setup. The TV is in the center and on both sides there are shelves with soft lights. The whole wall becomes like a design piece. This is a very stylish for a modern living room. Some people use dark wall for TV design like this one, where the TV is on a black wall. It makes the screen look brighter and give a theater like feel. Dark wall design are bold and modern. So friends, these were many TV design ideas for your home. From small room to big halls, from simple walls to luxurious marble panels, every type of design has its own beauty. Before we end, remember to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friend, and also tell me in the comments which design you like the most. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video with more amazing home design ideas.